Hi everyone, it's Helen here. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today we're going to be playing with the Hexagon Wreath Box dice set. We're not going to be making this one today, we're going to be making a variation of what we can do with this. So this is from my brand new collection, Deck the Halls, and I'm really excited to be making different things using this set. So today we're going to be making a candy cane gift box. Okay, so here is the die set. It comes with the main die here, which we're going to be using today. You get all of these trellis and individual matte dies as well for each section. It all depends on how you use this box, so you're covered for each side. But today, just the main section and one of these here. This is going to help us make the stripes. And the base of our box is going to be white because that's going to be for the candy cane, and you need to make 6 of them. So I've got 5 already made up here. Let's make one more. So you will be needing a large format machine for this. This will be too big to fit onto a standard Big Shot, so let's pop that on. There's plenty of room around here for offcuts and for stamping on. Okay, so this has got all of the score lines already done for you now, so just grab yourself a bone folder and press all of those down. Okay, so to make the box we only need to add glue to the tabs either side, so leave the ones on the end completely free of glue. So I'm just going to add glue to all 4 at the same time. Okay, so that's all popped together now. We can just pop that inside there, but the trick that I like to do is add a bit of Velcro on the outside. That's really going to hold all of our treats in there nice and secure. So the Velcro that I use are these super slim stick-ons together. So you need to have your boxes with the lids face downwards like that, and then make an assembly line. So this one goes this way. This lid comes out the other way. Just make sure they're at the bottom because we're going to be matting the top. So we've got 3 there in a straight line. Make sure all your lids are the right way, and then we can add this one here, and this one here. So if I turn this around slightly so you can see better, we have ourselves a candy cane shape. Now let's glue these together. I'm going to stick with the bookbinding glue. This does dry super duper fast. And I'm just going to add glue just to each section and push that closed. But before you do glue everything down together, just make sure all of your lid flaps, your flap lids, are in the right place, all facing down. Okay, so I'm just pushing all of these together as the glue dries, but if you find it a lot easier, just use a hot glue gun. Okay, so I've just die cut some of these trapeze mats here from some red mirror cardstock, and I'm just trimming up to make these little lines here. I'm going up, I can probably get about 3 from each one. Try and keep them at an even distance. And then place them here. Okay, so as I get around here, it sort of changes direction. So I've got one of my triangles left over from one of my cutouts, and now I'm cutting in the opposite way. Okay, so I've just placed all of my mats on there now, so all I've got to do now is just glue those down. Just found a tiny little triangle just there. Let's get that in this little corner there. I went around looking to see what I could snip off from here, and this was right under my nose, so always keep your little offcuts until you're done with the project. Okay, and now we're almost done with our candy cane. I have to hold like this to get it all on the screen. So let's do our finishing touches now. So I'm going to turn this over and we're going to seal all of these. I'm going to pop these all onto the outside. I'm going to grab my pack of the super slim Velcros and I'm going to chop myself off 3. Now this is a trick that if you followed me for a while, you know this is what I love to do. I like to cut these in half again. There we go. And then we're just going to glue or press down each one on the lid. And I like to have the flat side up against here. Okay, so I'm just going along now, taking off the Velcro backing and sealing these little gift boxes. So you can get 6 different types of treats in these boxes, or you can put all of the same type of treat in each one. But yeah, it's really nice to have a nice little variation or a little pick and mix. Okay, so here is our finished candy cane. There is loads of room inside all of these little boxes for your little treats or even miniature candy canes, because you can buy the little ones. And let's finish this off now. So I have here a dinky bow from the Dinky Bows and Blooms die set. This does look summery with all the flowers, but really it's great for just the bow. I've taken one of those bows and added it to the wreath here with the red one, so we're going to go with the green today. Just pop that there. I don't really want to tie anything around it because it will have to be undone if you want to access one of the boxes at the back there. So I'm just going to place that on there. You can jazz it up with some candy canes. We do have the Christmas characters here. Here is the Nutcracker. That is from the Christmas characters die set. So we have the Nutcracker, the ballerina, some gingerbread people and Santa himself. So here is our finished candy cane gift box. I love this. It's got 6 boxes there. You can fit loads of treats and goodies in there too, including the small candy canes that you can get too. Those will fit inside there too. So don't forget to check out the rest of the Deck the Halls collection. We have the mini drum that will also take a mini bottle of wine in there. So it's perfect for those. And we have the Wreath gift die set as well. Loads of variations. Do have a go and make different things. I would love to see what you can come up with. And then we also have the handy gift bag. I love this. And there is Santa all put together. And don't forget, you also get 10% off this collection if you are a VIP as well. So if you like this one, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you again later.